Look guys, it's not Belarus, it's Italy. Oh my god.
Walking on sunshine. You're mine, you're mine, you're walking on sunshine. To tell you that you're doing fine. Walking on sunshine.
This is my load, everybody. To Portugal. Hello guys, I'm here in Italy, close to the border to Slovenia, and I bought some balls guys, some Italy food here. I'm gonna try a little bit in the truck. The truck is there, and look the mountains there guys. It's covered in ice, a lot of snow here guys. See you later guys, you talk later, bye bye, take care, bye bye. Sarni Pizzeria Market. Qualità per passione. Okay, the ball is inside. It's big. That's my hand. That's the size of the ball. Let's try that. Guys, I'm going to the second ball. Look the size of the ball. Good. Hello guys, I'm in a big trouble. I stopped here because I have my offload tomorrow, and I start to help a bird. I put some food to the bird there, and the bird was really cold, you guys. But I put the bird inside of my cabin, and the birds don't want to leave, you guys. What do I do now, guys? I cannot bring the bird from France to Portugal. I'm in a big trouble, guys. Please, somebody help me. That's my little friend, guys. Don't want to leave my cabin anymore, guys. Look at that. What do I do, guys? Oh my god. Guys, look at that. I put the bird inside of my cabin, but now I cannot kick the bird out. Understand? It's too cold here, man. In France. And the bird is really cold. Look at that.